this video, I call this finding the percentile score as the continued. Is the additional discussion after the last video on this 035. We talk about our a method to find the percentile. But there's something if you read from the author's solution paper. So if we have our code, so I'm not sure if you find anything is or not. Is if you keep running that, let's see. So let me give you the demo. So it's fine. We put is the like 60. We got our percentile, and with this one. And if I put is 90, I got this one. If I put is 100, I got the last one. But have you read this formula? So this formula is n times percentile. If I see now it's 90%, it's 90 divided by 100. So that is 0.9 times n and plus 0.5. So what's that mean? So if that is the 90% of the numbers of your item. So if I put is 97, so that means 97% times your n and plus 0.5. So I still can get is 1198. It's already quite approach 1200. But if I give 98, let's see. So I starting to get error. So I'm not sure is whether you find your error yourself or not. The error is nowadays real index 2 are overflow. So least index out of range. So the reason for that is actually is coming from the I. So this I, if you are going to the 98% or more than 98%, but not reach 100%, because you plus 0.5 is over the total n. So once it's over the total n, is your real index 2 is equal to k. This index I is more than n, so that will not be able to identify within a list of the data. So the author gave us the nice the link. So I put this link gave you here. So I will use this this video to discuss the second approach the author mentioned is we use the first approach to find our percentile score, but we may have a second approach which can prevent such kind of the list range overflow. So come to this link. So I already put this here. So that is the Microsoft the Office Excel the method. So those are the way is we can see here from this link is the Wikipedia for the percentile. And they have, when they discuss the calculation method, you can read in more detail. There's two the type. We have used this first variant type. We use this way. So from this way and plus the 0.5 is this NP plus 0.5. We will now use this Microsoft Excel. All is NumPy. So those are used another way. So this the second way can prevent to overflow. So this video is let's try to make another file to find percentile. So let's copy this to our number 2 and to see whether the second file, the approach can help us prevent this boundary, the issues. So all the Rest of the things I think is no no difference. We still need to check is the 0, 100, and when we go here is we have our n is this one data with sort, and we this we yeah. So now is let's common states we don't need this sorted, and let's also don't have this one, and here using the NumPy Excel approach. So here, so this to check is fine. It's just here. So we give this rank. So we can call that rank, or we can put that as I still. So let's keep this in I. So this is the difference. So we should have the percentile times n minus 1 plus 1. So use this times percentile divided by 100, then we plus 1. So first is we put this the n minus 1, then we give that plus 1, then this will be the not overflow, so not common states, and we don't need so many things, and we can see the comments calculation is we use k equal to the convert this to integer, but we need another the variable is this I minus k. Then we will have this real index 1 is k minus 1, and this k. So then this k will not be overflow. So then this what we return is the just data. With this index 1, and those are here the values, and then this plus, we don't have this f anymore, is the d times the data, the real index 2 minus data real index 1, and with here. So those are our formula. So let's do the testing for this one. So let's see, 0 is got 60, 100. Okay, 90, 98. Yeah, you can see here 99, and still 99.9. Yeah, you can always put this. I see, I want is almost 100. So it's also reaches 1200. So simply is remember this formula. So it's coming from the this document is also give you the detailed formula that can be calculated. It's coming from here. And also from the author's solution paper, you can read that. So let's keep both these two for the method to find the percentile score. I hope is you also can find yourself through these two codes on the difference and on the relationship, and welcome to read this the wiki page. It gives you more the information about the percentile from the mathematical detail. Okay, so I hope this gives you some additional insights on percentile calculation. Then see you in the next video. Bye.